how to redeem Nitro Code on Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can redeem Nitro Code on Mobile. So in order to redeem your Nitro Code on Mobile, you need to use the Discord application. Also make sure that you have a Discord account make sure that you have a correct account. So once you're logged into your Nitro account, this is how it's gonna look like. Once you're on this page, go to your profile icon located right at the bottom, and this is gonna take you to the profile page. Over here, scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to see Nitro gifting, which is right at the bottom over here, or right on top. In my case, I don't have a Nitro account. Along with that, I have not even added an email address, so you'll be able to see an option as redeem code. So over here, you need to enter in the code that you wish to use it or redeem it, and as soon as you've done that, click on the submit button and you'll be able to use and that is basically how you can redeem or use your Nitro gift card online. So in this way, you can redeem Nitro Code on Mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.